Hello friends, I am Dr. Danish Jamal from SSB Hospitals in Faridabad, and today on the occasion of the World Tuberculosis Day, I would like to address all my friends, my colleagues, and try to sensitize you regarding the importance of tuberculosis in our society. Unfortunately, despite all the worldwide efforts of WHO, Indian government, state government, and all of the doctors combined, we have been unable to completely eradicate this disease. Daily, 28,000 people get infected with tuberculosis, they have become diseased with tuberculosis, and 4,000 people die of tuberculosis despite being easily treatable, and we have excellent cure rates of 99% with the existing medications that are available for this unfortunate illness. Despite that, we are seeing that 1/3 of our tuberculosis patients are not being properly attended to. They do not get diagnosed, they do not get treated properly, and of the 4 lakh cases that we are seeing annually in our country, around 5 to 10% of our patients are developing drug-resistant tuberculosis, and this drug-resistant tuberculosis tends to, then affect other people also and lead to more development of resistance to the standard medications that we have for this disease. Although the Government of India has taken so many steps as to provide easy diagnostic services in terms of very rapid testing at the molecular level and genetic level, still, because patients do not report to us on time, we are not able to provide them appropriate treatment. Hence, it is very important that if you do have any symptoms like dry cough, fever that persists despite taking a few days of antibiotics, or you have symptoms like chest pain, you have weight loss, you do not feel like eating properly, and this has symptoms have progressed for the past 2 to 3 weeks, you should definitely see your doctor and get yourself examined for tuberculosis. So as I was saying, if we see in India itself, we have a large population, especially poor people who are socio-economically deprived, or people who are not having access to proper health care. They unfortunately do not get medications on time, or due to side effects occurring with medications of tuberculosis, which is definitely possible, the patients do not take treatment, or they have got problems with treatment, and therefore we have a scenario in which we cannot treat our patients properly. In 2019, we had about 1.8 million cases of tuberculosis, and unfortunately in 2020, because of the global COVID-19 pandemic, the cases have been projected to increase to up to 2 million annually. And it has been shown by WHO and Indian organizations that if we do not, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, if we reduce the rate of diagnosis of tuberculosis by 50%, or if these patients are left undiagnosed, untreated, even if only 30 to 50% of patients are not seen on time, then the incidence rate or the number of people who have tuberculosis will increase by roughly about 50,000 each year, and thus this disease will become very difficult to be controlled. Therefore, it is very important, especially in these COVID endemic times or in COVID epidemic times, that we take care of our TB patients. These patients should get themselves shown and they should get treated, and just because of this COVID pandemic, they should not be left alone, or they should not be left at home rather and not get treated and result in a new kind of a situation where I have seen more and more patients with tuberculosis. Thank you.